What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to, on Canva, change the design and the style of elements. For example, this is a flat element that you can turn into this element way, or maybe into this, or maybe into this. So how to do this is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After, go to Canva, select the design that you wish, enter with elements, find the element that you want from the left sidebar of menus. You have design, elements, search for some element you wish, apply it on your page, click on it, and go to edit. Once on edit, you're gonna be able to find a new option called style match. Click on view all, on see all, and right here we're gonna be able to change and customize the style of the element. For example, imagine that you would like this style right here, the pop art. This can take some moments, maybe a minute or two. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to make the design happen, okay? But normally it's fast. You can see the loading bar right here, okay? We are almost into the half of the process. All the images started as this one and I turn into these ones right here. And here is the design I got. Let's try another one. Maybe right here, the plush, the realistic plush. This can be used to match the design that you wish. When you can see some element on Canva, you can customize this using AI. And it's a Canva built-in feature, so there's no limitations. And here is the result I got. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!